Hi friends, welcome to the English class of Leeds College, Perambra. Today we are going to take a new chapter. It is entitled as My Sister's Shoes. It is not a story, not a poem. It is a screenplay. It is connected with the film. We know that screenplay, Tirakkada. Okay. So you have another chapter, that Project Tiger. In that chapter, you have seen what the efforts taken by a film director, the famous film director in India, who is named as Satyajit Ray, to shoot a film. Okay. So we can just have a look at the unit name, the frames, the frame. All the chapters under this unit capture the real life situations in the frame of film. We know that film directors get story from real life incident. So, life and human life and cinema or film are not two separate entities. They are not separable. They are inseparable. Okay. They both, film and that life, are two different sides of a same coin. They are mutually dependent. So, here we have a beautiful screenplay. It is from the film, it is of the film of Children of Heaven by a famous Iranian director, Majid Majidi. Okay, he is very famous. And have a look. In the article Project Tiger, you saw the efforts taken by Satyajit Ray and his team to make a tiger act in one of his films. In a film, the actors and the context in which they should behave or speak are determined on the basis of a written script. Have you ever read a film script? So, we know that. What is the script of a film? So, in the script, we know that how should an actor should behave, how should an actor to act in a movie, how should be his dialogue delivery, how should be his character, how should be his actions. Okay, all these things are described in a detailed note. That is what is known as the script of a movie. Okay, so have you ever read a script? I think you may not. Okay, here is an extract from a feature film script by Majid Majidi, a renowned Iranian filmmaker. Okay, I think this writer, this Majid Majidi, has got an Oscar nomination. He is very famous. We can have a look at his profile. Majid Majidi, born 17 April 1959, is an Iranian film director, film producer and screenwriter. He has directed several feature films, includes The Color of Paradise 1999, Baron 2001 and The Willow Tree 2005. In 1998, Majidi directed the film Children of Heaven, which was nominated for the Academy Award. Academy Award means which was nominated for the Oscar Award. Academy Award is also known as Oscar Award, or Oscar Award is also known as Academy Award. Okay, for Best Foreign Language Film. This is the first Iranian film to have been nominated by the Academy. He was not awarded the Academy Award, but he has been nominated. So that is a privilege to be. It is a honor to be nominated, because you know that Academy Award or Oscar Award is the greatest award that is given in the film industry in the world. Okay, so we know that in the script we can see different scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, like that a script is arranged. Okay, so we can go to the screen 1. Cobbler's shop. Who is a cobbler? A cobbler is a person who repairs shoes. Okay. Close-up of a cobbler stitching a girl's shoe. Only the pink shoe and the cobbler's hands are in the frame. The camera moves back to middle distance to show Ali sitting on a low chair next to the cobbler and watching him work. The cobbler finishes stitching the shoe, picks up the other one of the pair and hands them both to Ali. Cobbler, there will be 30 torments. Ali, thank you. Gives money to the cobbler. Cobbler, here is your change. Picks up coins from the money box to give to Ali. Cut the street outside. So, just from this screen or from this screenplay, we have to understand, but from the script, we have to understand the movement of camera. Okay, that is very important. Okay, close up of the cobbler stitching a girl's shoe. What is the close up? Close up means the camera is located very closely to the object or to the person that the camera has to capture. Okay, the camera is locating very closely and take very close snap. Okay, very close frame, very close, what I have to say, picture. Okay, so close up of a cobbler stitching a girl's shoe. Okay, വളരെ അടുത്ത് ക്യാമറ വളരെ അടുത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് എടുക്കുന്ന ഇല്ലേ പിക്ചേഴ്സാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ക്ലോസപ്പ് പിക്ചേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ക്ലോസപ്പ് ഓഫ് എ കോബ്ലർ സ്റ്റിച്ചിങ് എ ഗേൾസ് ഷൂ. ഇൻ ദ ബിഗിനിങ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് സ്റ്റോറി വി ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് ഫിലിം വി ക്യാൻ സീ എ കോബ്ലർ, എ ഷൂ, എ പേഴ്സൺ ഹു റിപ്പയർസ് എ ഷൂ, എ കോബ്ലർ ഹു ഈസ് സ്റ്റിച്ചിങ് എ ഷൂ. So in the close-up of that picture we can see only the pink shoe. Only the pink shoe and the cobbler's hands are in the frame. In the frame we cannot see any other thing. In the frame we cannot see the shop. In the frame we cannot see the face of that cobbler. Okay, we only see only that a pink shoe and the hands of that cobbler who is repairing the shoe. The two things we can, who is stitching that shoe, that only we can see in the frame. The camera moves back. What will happen when the camera moves back? So it is shot. Now I am being shot. Okay, so in this shooting, so how can you you just think what will happen when the camera moves back? When the camera move back, you can see not only me, not only the board, the blackboard, but you can see the walls of this class. You can see the first row of the students, and here also you can see. So when you move back a camera, you can see many things in the frame. Okay, so the camera moves back to middle distance to show Ali sitting on a low chair. There is a central character who is named as Ali. Okay, when the camera moves back, we can see Ali, a central character, might be the protagonist of the story of this movie. Okay, main character. So we can see him when the camera moves back. Who is sitting on a low chair, next to the cobblers and watching him work. Okay, Ali, the central character, is sitting on a chair near the cobbler and he is closely observing how that cobbler is stitching the shoe. Okay, the cobbler finishes stitching the shoe, picks up the other one of the pair and hands them both to Ali. After stitching the shoe, the cobbler takes the pair of that shoe and the both shoes are handing over to the Ali. Ali receives it and cobbler tells there will be 30 torments. Torments is a Iranian currency, Iranian unit of money. Torments. Okay, അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ രൂപ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് പോലെയാണ് അല്ലേ ഇറാനിയൻസിന് എന്തെന്ന് ടോമൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 30 ടോമൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദ വേജ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് വർക്ക് ഈസ് 30 ടോമൻസ്. അലി താങ്ക് യു, ഗിവ്സ് മണി ടു ദ കോബ്ലർ. അല്ലേ, അലി താങ്ക് യു എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ഹി gives money to the cobbler for the work. Cobbler, here is your change. The balance of that money, the cobbler gives back, picks up the coin from the money box to give to Ali. To give the balance of that money that Ali gives, he picks some coins from the box, from the money box, and gives to Ali. Cut to the street outside. That is what is the first scene, and the remaining part is there. Cut to the street outside. Then suddenly the camera moves. The camera, after capturing all these things from the cobbler's shop, then it moves. It cuts short the shoot from there, and it moves to outside. Okay, the eyes of camera goes to outside. Seen from across the street, the cobbler's shop where Ali and the cobbler are sitting can be seen. To the right of the cobbler's shop is a door with a curtain hanging on it, which appears to open into a row house. Ali is leaving the shop. Ali's voice, thank you. The cobbler's voice, you're welcome, goodbye. A man with a parcel under his arm walks up to the curtained door, lifts the curtain and goes in. As Ali comes out of the cobbler's shop, putting the shoes into a small black bag in his hand, walks down the street and moves out of the frame on the left. So what happened? Then camera goes outside the shop, and it is across the shop. Across the shop, they arranged the camera across the street. Okay, the other side of the street. Then from there they started to capture Ali and that cobbler's shop. Seen from across the street. അല്ലേ, തെരുവിൻ്റെ അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് വെച്ചിട്ട് എന്താണ് ക്യാമറ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും ക്യാമറ കുറേ ദൂരെയാണുള്ളത്. എന്തൊക്കെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും? അലി നിൽക്കുന്ന ഷോപ്പ് കാണാം, കോബ്ലറിൻ്റെ ഷോപ്പ് കാണാം, അല്ലേ. ദെൻ അതിന് അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിൽ എന്തുണ്ടെന്ന് കാണാം, ഇപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിൽ എന്തെന്ന് കാണാം. വി ക്യാൻ സീ ദ സ്ട്രീറ്റ്. We can see the street because they have arranged the camera across the street, which means other end of the street. So we can see the roads, the people, the crowd of the road, and on the road, and people here and there who are walking here and there for different purposes along the road. Then many things we can see through the camera. Okay, seen from across the street, the cobbler's shop where Ali and the cobbler are sitting can be seen. So far away from that in the screen of that camera we can see. We know that now the camera is locating too far from the shop. So through the scene, through the frame, we can see Ali and the cobbler is sitting in the shop. Okay. To the right of the cobbler's shop is a door with a curtain. The cobbler's shop where Ali and the cobbler are sitting can be seen. To the right of the cobbler's shop, right side of the cobbler's shop, there is a door with a curtain. ഒരു കർട്ടനോട് കൂടിയ ഒരു ഡോർ ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. ഓക്കെ, ഹാങ്ങിങ് ഓൺ ഇറ്റ് വിച്ച് അപ്പിയേഴ്സ് ടു ഓപ്പൺ ഇൻ ടു എ റോ ഹൗസ്. ഐ തിങ്ക് ആഫ്റ്റർ ബീങ് ഓപ്പൺഡ്, after that door, that particular door which has a curtain on it, if it was opened, we can see a row house. Row house means many houses in a row. Okay, row house. Ali is leaving the shop. Okay, Ali after this we can see that after the repairing of that shoes, Ali is leaving that shop. Okay, we can hear the Ali's voice, thank you. The cobbler's voice, you are welcome, goodbye. Why the camera is arranged, is located, is fixed out of that shop? It is too far from that shop, the cobbler shop. You know why? Because it has to convey, it has to, the audience should know that the nature of that street. Okay, because that street is very busy street. Many people are here and there. Many different shops are there, and then just like that things we have to understand about that street. For that purpose, he has kept that camera out. Okay. The cobbler's voice. You are welcome. Goodbye. A man with a parcel under his arm walks up to the curtain door. So we know that there is a curtain door. A man comes. A man goes inside that curtain door, keeping a, what I have to say, keeping a parcel under his arm. Okay, he go in through that curtain door. So all these things we can understand that it is a busy area. So many people are visiting here and there, many shops. That is what we have to understand. Lifts the curtain and goes in. The person with a parcel, he lifts the curtain and goes in. Lift means rise up. Okay. As Ali comes out of the cobbler's shop, putting the shoes into the small black bag in his hand. This time Ali was coming out, a stranger who was coming with a parcel and who was going inside of that curtain door, means he was going in. So at the same time, Ali was coming out of that particular shop, that cobbler's shop, after repairing that shoes. Okay, walks down the street and moves out of the frame to the left. He walks down the street and moves out of the frame to the left. Okay, he walks out of the street, he is going away and he is moving from the frame to the left. Ali is moving from the frame to the left. Okay, this is what is the first scene. Okay, the next scene is the bakery, scene 2. Okay. Inside the bakery, shots of bread being baked, close up of a hand putting into the stove, kneaded flour spread on a baking board and taking out the baked naan. The camera pans slightly to the right, show Ali picking up the naan dropped by the cook and staking them on a cloth spread on a wooden plank. The camera moves back to show Ali and 3 cooks sitting around the stove, kneading and putting it inside the stove. Ali finishes stacking the naan and ties up the cloth into a bundle. Okay, we know that the first scene is taken place in a cobbler's shop. We can discuss the second scene later. You just have a look. In the first scene, what all are the things we can see? The first scene is started with begins with a close-up shot of a cobbler, okay, who is repairing a shoe, and we can see that protagonist, the main character, the central character in the film, that is Ali, and what does he do? He is waiting for that shoe that is repaired by the cobbler, and he gives money. All those actions that you just remember what is happening in the first scene. Okay, then the camera takes into the outside the street. There we can see the long distant view of that shop, the cobbler's shop. Okay, see, and Ali gives money, and the cobbler gives back the balance. Okay, and there is we also understand that that particular place is very busy with many people and many vendors and many merchants. That is very busy area. Okay, that all about the first scene. Okay, so next we can discuss the next class. Okay, bye.